With LaunchBay, we are collaborating with our customer success team much more efficiently now, and we've reduced from 2 meetings to 1 meeting per week because it is less manual check-ins. And now their whole team's on it. It has just been like a snowball rolling the whole year, and it just keeps rolling and rolling and rolling. And it's definitely apparent in like how I start my day off. Instead of having to go in and check my emails, check Monday for any updates, check Slack where internal team members are also commenting, check Notion for where the clients have come in and made updates, I just go to LaunchBay. It's just the one spot. My name's Lauren Hammonds. I am the senior graphic designer at Nutrislice. We are a food service technology solution, getting dining halls, cafeterias, dining programs modernized and available in digital spaces. Before we found LaunchBay, we were running into really consistent problems that we tried to solve with so many different tools. Google Docs, Sheets, Monday.com, Notion, we went through all of them. And it really came down to clients' access being kind of clunky and just a not very good experience. In Monday.com, we were tracking the project details, who the client was, what information we needed for their project, when their due dates were, but nothing that was really directly relevant to the client. They weren't in Monday.com. And then we used Notion to create our creative briefs. Notion is a great note-taking space, but it has so much flexibility that it became a problem because clients could accidentally delete fields or questions or maybe not understand how to navigate everything. So it became very messy. And it didn't have a great client access. We'd have to send an email to say, hey, client, welcome aboard. We're glad to have you here. We use Notion for this. And because of that, now you have to go create a free account and you have to go log into this and you have to go figure out how to access this. That wasn't a great experience for them. And then email. Email is great, right? It has its strengths for sure. But what I really noticed as a downfall with email is we would have a lot of middlemen created because we'd have a thread with maybe 10 people on it. If somebody direct replies, then we suddenly forget who's supposed to be on the thread. Who is this relevant to? Where is this going? And things would just fall through the cracks. As we onboarded into LaunchBay, we were in the busiest season of the year. Just one client that has a really large scale project that we transitioned to LaunchBay in the middle of their project. We're like, hey, this process that we've been doing, it's been a little difficult, right? So we want you to try out LaunchBay with us. We would ask for feedback every week. And every week everything's just so much easier. I don't have to think about anything. It's just there. I can go in and I can do it. I don't feel like I have to go find anything or hunt it down. I just click into my email and I'm there. I don't have to log in. I don't have to have an account. There was so many benefits that we were all seeing together. We were able to see a really direct comparison of before LaunchBay, it took 6 weeks to get them through this long creative brief process, asset collection. It was back and forth emails, tracking down details, what's falling through the cracks, what's done, what's not. And then we moved them into LaunchBay and we show them this client portal and these tasks. And all of a sudden they're getting things done much more quickly. We have less late tasks getting done. We have more engagement from the client, more happiness from the client. And we reduced that time for asset collection from 6 weeks down to 4 weeks at max. And that's while we're working on other projects. Beyond that, I would say that we've really drastically reduced the amount of emails that we're sending. Their first touch point is that LaunchBay invitation. And then they're in and they're working and we're working and things are just getting done so much more efficiently, so much more smoothly. It's been really great to have you guys almost as a partner rather than just this team behind this tool that we use. There's so many capabilities that LaunchBay itself has as a product, but to have the team along with it has just made it that much more special for us.